Main focus of KUKA Systems is going into sustainability and decarbonization. Two examples for that, especially in modular house building and factories, is that we can use a much broader space of materials that can be reused instead of in the current manufacturing phases of houses where we can't reuse almost anything. The second example is a decarbonization going into battery manufacturing with electric vehicles, passenger vehicles, but also heavy-duty vehicles. One example is that we've built in a Scandinavian country for a Tier 1 supplier, we were able to build a completely CO2 neutral battery manufacturing site.
The digital factory for KUKA Systems is very important, but already normal. We use the digital factory in all of our projects, starting from proposal to the mechanical electrical design, over the commissioning until after sales and our services. The digital factory brings benefits for our customers during the whole process, starting from the ramp-up phase, because there we make sure that everything is running really well, because we tested before everything in our digital twin. And then afterwards, during production, we can bring in changes parallel to bringing out parts in the running line.
Right now we are working on the industrialization of DC grids, as you can see here on Automatica with our KRC5 DC cabinet. With this cabinet, the robots can recuperate their braking energy to the DC grid and boost energy efficiency. By using DC grids and with using our KRC5 DC cabinet, we can use the DC current so that the robots can recuperate the braking energy into the DC grid. We also can save a lot of copper, and we can use renewable energies much more efficiently.
What we are offering to our customers is completely premium line building, meaning that we're thinking of anything and everything, not only for the actual investment, for the initial investment, but also for the TCO of the complete line.
Industrial intelligence.